Bonjour, y'all. I got some interesting produce this week. I thought I would share it with you guys. My friend got me this piece of castilla pumpkin. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. If you guys have an idea, I'm thinking maybe a soup. It looks really good, doesn't it? I like that, and it smells. It smells good too. It smells like pumpkin. So we'll see. I hope it's sweet. And then I got this giant Korean radish. I'm going to pickle this. It's wet because I've been keeping it in water so it won't dry out. And then I got, well, this is half of what she gave me. This is the lychee, or lychee, however you want to pronounce it. I'm from Sicily, lychee. Okay. So, and they're big and healthy. Like, when I get them around here, they're small. They're probably that big. And look at this. They're huge. And to eat these, you just peel it and it kind of, the inside, I don't know, kind of has the texture of a grape. It's very floral. There's a seed inside. See the seed? So you have to pop that out. You can get these canned as well, but nothing beats fresh. The last of the cherries. I could cry. I love cherry season. And let's give a shout out to the grapery. No, not sponsored. But they make really good grapes. Like, I get excited when I see this label in the store. Gumdrops are some of my favorite. They're little, they're sweet. Look at these babies. Delicious. Yeah, so go eat some fruit. I just thought I would share some of my fun produce with you guys. I hope everyone's doing okay. I haven't had a chance to edit video lately, so I thought I'd just throw a quick one together. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Au revoir. Bon appetit.